Hello friends, welcome back. Now it is second video of this exercise. So let's do it. Question number third. Given sin A equal to 3 by 4. Calculate cos A and tan A. In this question we have to find cos A and tan A. So let's do it. Let it as angle A. Let it as angle A. And this one as B and C. So it is given sin A. It is given sin A. Sin A upon equal to 3 by 4. It is given. Now we will apply the formula as I told you that in the previous video, PVP upon HHB. PBP upon HHB. We will apply this. For this exercise, it is very important. So P upon H. So first will be P upon H means perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So perpendicular is 3. So perpendicular is 3 unit and hypotenuse is 4 unit. Now we have to find the base AB. Let's find AC and its whole square equal to AB whole square plus BC whole square by PGT. By PGT we are finding. So 4 and its whole square equal to AB is not given, so it will be as it is AB whole square plus BC. BC is given, so we will write it 3 and its whole square. Now what we will do, 4 square is 16 equal to AB square plus 3 3 are 9. So AB square equal to 16 minus 9 equal to 16 minus 9 equal to 7. So AB equal to squaring both sides, so it will become under root 7. So AB is under root 7. Now we have to calculate cos A and tan A. We have to calculate cos A and tan A. So firstly cos A. So for cos it is applied base upon hypotenuse. This one is applied base upon hypotenuse. So base upon hypotenuse. So base is under root 7 upon hypotenuse is 4 and tan A. Tan A equal to perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular is, what is perpendicular? Perpendicular is 3 upon base is root 7. So it is the answer. Question 3 we solved. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 4th. Given 15 cot A equal to 8. Find sin A and sec A. It is given in this question. Given 15 cot A equal to 8. So cot A equal to 8 by 15. We can write like this. Let it as angle A, B and C. Now let's find sin A and sec A. So to find sin A and sec A, we have to firstly identify it. Remember the formula PBP upon HHB. So for cot it will be this one, base upon perpendicular. Base upon perpendicular. Base is this one, so it will be 8 and perpendicular is 15. Base upon perpendicular. Now we have to find hypotenuse. So to find hypotenuse we have to put PGT by PGT AC whole square equal to AB whole square plus BC and its whole square. So AB whole square means 15 and its whole square. No, AB is 8 plus BC is 15 and its whole square. And it is AC whole square. So 8 is 64 plus 16, 15 into 15 equal to 225. 225. So we will add it 5 4 9 and 6 7 8. 8 and it will be 2. Now AC square will be as it is AC and its whole square. So AC will be under root 289 equal to, it will come out as 17. We can check it. 17 into 17. 7 7 49 4. 7 7 4 11. 1 7 7. 189. It is correct. Now we have to find sine A. Sine A. Sine A is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So perpendicular is 15. This one is 17 and upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse upon base. So hypotenuse is 17 upon base is 8. So it is the answer.